So everyone knows BRB stands for Be Right Back, and ASAP stands for as soon as possible, and of course OMG stands for oh my god. But did you know IKEA is an acronym for Intelligent Kangaroos Enjoy Apples?
No, hold up.
It actually means Ingvar Kamprad Elmtarid Agunarid. Ingvar Kamprad is the founder. Elmtarid is the name of the farm he grew up on. Agunarid is the name of a nearby village. He was only 17 years old when he launched IKEA in 1943. It only sold small items like picture frames, pencils, and wallets in the beginning. Another fun fact about IKEA is that the average size of an IKEA store is 300,000 feet. That's the equivalent of 42 tennis courts. But did you know more copies of the IKEA catalog are printed than the Bible? That's right, the IKEA catalog goes out to over 180 million people compared to around 100 million Bibles. Just don't forget about their meatballs on your next visit because all that shopping will make you hungry. Consider this case explained.